A line in the xy plane passes through the origin and has a slope of 1/6. Which of the following points lies on the line? So first we need to find the formula of our line. We have given that this line passed by the origin and the slope is 1/6. So when the formula for straight line is y is equal ax plus b, where a is slope. In this example we have given that slope is 1/6. We can replace a by 1/6, so we have y is equal 1/6 x plus b. We copy. What else? To find formula of our line, we need now to find the b. b, how we will find? We know that this line passes through the origin. The origin has coordinates 0, 0. So if this line passed through this point, we can substitute x by 0, y by 0, and we will calculate the b. So y is 0. So we have 0 is equal 1/6, x is 0, so times 0 plus b. So we see that b is equal 0 because 1/times 0 is 0, so 0 plus b is b. So we have that b is equal 0. So we have formula of our line y is equal 1/6 x and b is 0, so we don't have to write. This is our line, formula for our line. And now we have to check which point, those 3 points, belong to our straight line. So let's take first point. We have 4, 0. This is first coordinate x and the second is y. Let's copy our formula. Y is equal 1/6x. So we need to substitute y by 0 and x by 0. So we have x by 4. So we have 1/6 times 4. So we have 0 is equal, we can reduce 6 and 4 by 2, so it will be 2 and 3. 2/3. 0 is equal to 2/3. No. So it means that this point with coordinates 4, 0 doesn't belong to our line. So let's check next. Right now, the second point is 1, 2, has coordinates 1, 2. Again, let's copy formula of our function, and now we need to substitute x by 1, y by 2. So we have 2 is equal 1/6 times 1. So we have 2 is equal 1/6 times 1 is 1/6. 2 is equal 1/6? No. So we see that the second point also doesn't belong to our line, and the third point is 3, 2, has coordinates 3, 2. Let me copy again formula of our line, 1/6 times x. So x now is equal 3 and y is equal 2. So y we substitute by 2, y 1/6 we copy, and x is 3. 6 and 3 we can reduce, is 2. So we have 2 is equal 1/2. It's not true. So it means that the third point also doesn't belong to our line. This is my solution.